3 tools you can use, any website owner can use to improve their SEO. We'll start with Google Search Console, which is a free tool from Google. You verify your website and you have access to a whole host of data about how it appears in search results, how often it surfaces, what pages come up most, what search queries people use to find your business, or how it can be uncovered within Google. So that's number 1. Do that, very easy to do. Number 2, I'd use a free trial of either SEO Moz or Ahrefs to get an understanding of the site, because they're very straightforward to use from a non-technical perspective. They allow you a free trial, which you can get a whole host of data about the website, about the backlinks your website has. We didn't touch too much on that in the main video. And I would also sign up, say, for either Ahrefs or Moz, but if possible, something like Majestic SEO or Raven Tools, which again look at the backlink profile of the website, and you can uncover who links to you, where they link from, how important those links are. And it gives you a good understanding of the technical perspective of the website from the audit through Moz. It also allows you to look at the authority of the website through the backlink profile. And from a perspective of Google, the Search Console will allow you to see if there's any issues with the site performance, any 404 errors, any technical issues or barriers to search engines crawling and indexing the site. Thanks very much.